Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Bassett, and I've been a member of DAD since 2009. I'm an assistant professor of special education at Ball State University and also a board certified behavior analyst. And today I'm going to discuss how behavioral principles can be utilized to help promote physical activity skills. To begin, it's important to consider how exercise skills can be taught using behavioral principles, including both antecedent and consequence-based strategies. So antecedent strategies are those that would occur before the behavior and can include things such as goal setting or instructional strategies. And consequences include things that occur after the behavior. So it might include things like praise or contingent incentives. And then we need to consider how these things can be manipulated or set up to help increase the physical activity behavior. So another factor that can be considered to help promote physical activity is preference of activities. And so one way that this can be addressed is through providing a choice board, such as the one on the screen here that has different types of activities for the participants to be able to choose from. You know, perhaps they can pick from yoga versus strength building versus running, and that gives them some options for what exercises they would like to do. You can also provide choice of setting, perhaps give them the option of working out at home versus working out at their gym, working out inside versus working out outside. And so obviously, you know, location is going to impact the equipment that you have available, but you can consider ways that you can provide modifications. So for example, I've had participants who are working out at home just use their canned vegetables in lieu of dumbbells. When thinking about the exercises that the participants are going to perform, you may want to consider developing task analyses for the target exercises. And so this can be helpful in regards to helping to ensure that the participant is engaging in correct form because you have the exercise specifically written out or demonstrated as it's supposed to be performed. And this can also be helpful in regards to measuring progress because you can see if they're consistently performing one of the steps of the task analysis incorrectly or see that they're progressing and doing it more correctly over time. Depending on the students that you're working with, it may be more or less beneficial to consider using written task analyses, such as the one on the left, or you can also consider using picture task analyses, such as the one on the right. Technology can also be useful when you're teaching physical activity skills. And one app that I have used is called Exercise Buddy. And this is a paid app. However, there is a 14-day free trial. And within that app, there's a number of different categories, a whole bunch of different exercises and different workout types that can be selected from. It also provides video models of many of the exercises, which includes, you know, the video of the model showing exactly how to do the exercise. And this app is also nice because in addition to the video models that are included with the app, it gives you the option of creating your own video models that can then be uploaded and used within the other features of the app as well. Another consideration could be the use of live coaching to help provide additional instruction. You know, live coaches can be there in real time to help provide additional instruction, error correction. They can give additional prompts. They can help model exactly how the exercise is supposed to look. So that can be really helpful in regards to some of those antecedent strategies and how you're providing your instruction. Another idea that you might consider is how including partners within the workouts. And so this can help not only promote the physical activity skills, but also help facilitate some social interactions. And it can also help to increase accountability and the motivation during the workouts. Lastly, it's also important to consider how exercise can be reinforcing to the participants. You know, initially, if you've ever begun exercising, it can be uncomfortable. It could be challenging to do. So you want to think about, you know, getting a baseline and seeing where the participants are at, and then how you can work to incrementally increase that over time as the participants develop additional strength and stamina. And you might also need to initially consider the use of secondary reinforcers, maybe watching a preferred video until the exercising itself becomes reinforcing for the participants. So this concludes my presentation about promoting physical activity skills. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or would like any additional information.